Thutha wa wabici ya mutari wa mathabu ma muingi kurekereria riboti ya mahuthiro ma mbeca kamiti-ini ya ithurano na miaka IEBC na kuonania mbeca cia muingi ciahota gukorwo ni ciahuthirirwo ria gutangiriire thiini wa mahuthiro ma mwaka 2016 na 2017, maofitha a kamiti ino ni mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie mathabu ma muingi gutaririria uria mbeca ciakorirwo ikihuthika.
That
So you are wrong.
No, I'm also right. Let me explain, Mr. Chairman.
We are all right.
Because my statement is very clear, Chairman. I have the basis of their opinion is that we have not provided all the vouchers.
Yes.
The question is whether you should recognize spending bills when you only have vouchers or when a liability has already been incurred by the Commission.
They ask for vouchers. They ask for supporting vouchers.
That's
Have we availed them?
No, we did not avail them. And I've vindicated them.
That's correct.
Mr. Chairman.
Leave it at that here.
Wagi wa ndumiriri cia kunyita mbaru macokio mao ni ukirirwo na njira nene ni amemba a kamiti ino makiuga matingihota guthurima na kinyi uria mbeca cia muingi ciahuthikire.
Now you cannot appear before this committee to answer a question of 2 billion shillings with fake demeaning papers like these ones. You need to come here with copies of vouchers attached to this, that this amount, 436 million, as has been said by Honorable Otiende, we were paying to these lawyers like this and like that. And
as you know, that's why you can see everyone from media is here. It's because we know there is so much that went wrong insofar as IEBC is concerned. And therefore, when we request to see to handle the issue of pending bills conclusively, by you giving us the relevant documents, Bwana CEO, there is a reason for that. And even beyond supplying a list, the name and the person paid, the more relevant thing actually to supply to us is what are they being paid for.
The annexes is where we pick all the drama.
You know, I agree with you, Honorable Mutua.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Opiyo Wandayi ni athire kamiti ino igacoka mbere yake muthi wa rucio mari na ndumiriri ciothe ciegemainie na uhuthiri wa mbeca.
All supporting documents including payment vouchers.
Fee notes.
I've said all. Yes. You supply them to the committee tomorrow, the 31st
By close of business.
October 2018 at 10 a.m.
Onao commissioners za kamiti ya IEBC onao matinatigĩrĩrwo na thutha kuona onao ni mabatie gutarĩrĩria itemi manyitire hari mitaratara ya mahuthiro ma mbeca.
Mr. Majan and his team will assist with the answering. There might come an issue where you must be put to responsibility for oversight.
Whether the money that we spent on the election had a value for money. So I really support what the chair said, that we need the chairman here. As much as the accounting officer will still be with you as the accounting officer, this does not exonerate anybody, because we need to get the views of the chairman on what the accounting officers have done.
Mr. Majan, ensure you come here accompanied by the chairman of the commission.
The chairman.
Okay?
Uria wari murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ino Ezra Chiroba onake ni akorirwo kigwetwo kuria kamiti ino yugire ni kumenya uria megukorwo makiaraniria nake.
First and foremost, who are you referring to as the accounting officer here? Just answer directly.
Mr. Ezra Chiloba.
We shall deal with the matter of Ezra Chiloba separately in our own plenary.
Riu maitho mothe muthi wa rucio makerekera kuri kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka niguo gugataukirwo uria mahuthirire mbeca cia muingi. Nungari wa Mbui, Njata TV.